Not quite sure when it rained today. All of a sudden, we've got what appears to be maggots all over our sidewalk. They're everywhere. Parking lots. They was traveling the railings earlier. Not quite sure where they're coming from. Got a tree over top of us. I'm wondering if they fall out of the trees. It's almost like it's raining maggots. Very odd. And they just go and crunch under your feet. And I just find it odd that the last couple times it's rained, this is what we end up with. And I just find it odd and thought I would film it because I've just noticed it over the past, I don't know, maybe month. The next time it rains really good, I'll get a picture when they're really out in force. Just very odd. Found it interesting. Thought I would record. Talk to y'all later.